In the blistering year of 2026, when roads are no longer mere paths but battlegrounds of horsepower and pure American ego, Dodge unleashed upon the asphalt a mechanical monstrosity so absurdly powerful that even physics filed a formal complaint: the 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Annihilator XSR 9000 Ultra Widebody Omega Edition. Engineered in a top-secret underground facility rumored to be powered by the souls of extinct muscle cars and leftover Daytona wings, this Hellcat doesn't purr, it roars in a dialect of thunder and torque, communicating exclusively through tire smoke and shattered eardrums. Under the hood lies a 9.2-liter quad supercharged Hemi V21 Apocalypse engine, pushing out an utterly nonsensical 1,666 horsepower and 1,420 pound-feet of torque, numbers so aggressive they caused the EPA to resign en masse and move to Mars. Fuel economy, who needs it? This thing runs on 93-octane gasoline, raw liberty, and occasionally the tears of Tesla owners. It does 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds if you have the nerve, but only after signing a liability waiver and passing a G-force resistance test administered by former F-16 pilots. The 2026 Hellcat's exhaust note is legally classified as a Class 3 sonic weapon in several municipalities, capable of shattering windows, pacemakers, and weak constitutions alike. Its exhaust system includes a patented Freedom Bellow mode that, when activated, causes nearby birds to molt and start the national anthem unprompted. To keep this beast planted, Dodge fitted it with tires wider than most studio apartments, wrapped around 22-inch carbon ceramic plasma forged alloy wheels developed in collaboration with NASA and the spirit of Burt Reynolds. Aerodynamics were handled by ex-fighter jet engineers who added an active rear wing the size of a dining table and front splitters sharper than your uncle's political opinions at Thanksgiving. The interior is no less outrageous. Gone is the old-school dashboard, replaced instead by a full wraparound holographic display that only shows boost pressure, tachometer, and various memes of Dom Toretto. The seats are leather-wrapped Recaro ejection pods lined with red-stitched bald eagle feathers, ethically sourced, of course, and the steering wheel is shaped like a knuckle duster dipped in chrome and patriotism. There's no infotainment system because Dodge believes distractions are for the weak. Instead, you get a single red, Engage Fury, button mounted in the center console, which activates all launch control systems, sprays a burst of NOS-scented cologne into the cabin, and starts playing Free Bird at full volume. Safety systems include an AI co-pilot named Chad who offers motivational quotes mid-drift, an auto-braking system that politely says, "Nah," when you try to slow down, and adaptive cruise control that only works if you're doing at least 130 miles per hour. There's also the optional Track Slapper Pro Pack, which includes drift-enabled rear axles, traction control that just shrugs and walks away, and a front-mounted cattle pusher for clearing slower traffic, or protesters, depending on your state laws. Because the Hellcat Annihilator takes no prisoners and asks no permission, customization options include factory vinyl flames, carbon fiber Confederate flag spoilers dealer installed only in select regions, a 48-speaker Hellrattle subwoofer system tuned to vibrate local ordinances into non-existence, and a scent diffuser that constantly emits ode to burnt rubber and Mountain Dew Code Red. Paint options include Liberty Redline, Tactical Asphalt, Bald Eagle Chrome, and the controversial but wildly popular Pure Murica Glow, which glows under moonlight and plays the Star-Spangled Banner when parked for more than 3 minutes. Of course, buyers can also upgrade to the SRT Hellcat Demon Hades Plus package, which adds a second engine in the trunk just for burnout symmetry, side exhausts that shoot flames every time you upshift, and an onboard mechanic named Rick who yells, "Send it," when you hesitate at traffic lights. Though banned in 17 countries in all of California, the 2026 Challenger Hellcat has already been declared the official car of Florida, where it comes with a free lifetime supply of gas station beef jerky and a commemorative mullet wig. Despite being impossible to insure and technically illegal to idle for more than 45 seconds within city limits, sales are astronomical. Each unit includes a commemorative VHS tape of The Fast and the Furious, autographed by a guy who once met Vin Diesel's cousin, and the keys come in a box that says, "If you have to ask how fast it is, you're not ready." Reviewers were initially hesitant, with one automotive journalist describing it as an angry fridge full of fireworks strapped to a bear, but by the end of the test drive, he had quit his job, joined a burnout competition, and legally changed his name to Turbo. Dodge, meanwhile, claims the 2026 Hellcat is the most Hellcat a Hellcat can be, and insiders say they had to detune it to avoid opening a rift in space-time during EPA testing. In fact, Rumor has it the first prototype caused a minor earthquake and a bald eagle spontaneously landed on its hood mid-dyno run. Coincidence? Doubtful.